So hopefully as part of this video, you understood what different execution levels are and the secure and the non-secure world. And our entire journey now going forward would be based on this picture. And just to, kind of long story short, if we go to chapter 3 here, the fundamentals of ARMv8, it talks about the execution level. Then there's this diagram, and that's what I essentially explained, but it's talking about the normal world only. And as we go forward, this is exactly, the diagram I was explaining you. There's like a trusted OS here. Let me change the color. Okay, trusted OS, some secure application here, secure app. There is no hypervisor on this side. And then everything else is exactly what I explained, right? So hopefully you are now so much comfortable with this and also convinced as to why this terminology will show up again and again, right? This and these two. With this, I'll see you in the next video.